Welcome to Orion Auto Update. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary names in motorcycling, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. This latest iteration of the iconic hyperbike promises thrilling performance, advanced technology, and a design that commands attention. Let's explore what makes the new Hayabusa a masterpiece of speed and engineering. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Hayabusa retains its unmistakable silhouette but with refined aerodynamics for better stability and efficiency. The aggressive front fairing, sharp LED lighting, and sculpted bodywork not only enhance its visual appeal but also reduce drag at high speeds. The bike's ergonomics have been fine-tuned, providing a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness for both long rides and track days. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Hayabusa is powered by an updated 1,340cc inline-4 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and smooth power delivery. Suzuki has made refinements to improve efficiency while maintaining the bike's legendary top speed. With improved fuel injection and revised internals, the Hayabusa continues to push the boundaries of performance. Advanced technology and features. Suzuki has packed the new Hayabusa with cutting-edge technology. A full-color TFT display provides real-time data and customizable ride modes, while an advanced electronics package includes traction control, launch control, cornering ABS, and cruise control. The inclusion of Suzuki Intelligent Ride System (SIRS) ensures precise handling and adaptability in different riding conditions. Chassis and handling. The 2025 Hayabusa rides on an updated aluminum twin spar frame, offering excellent rigidity and lightweight performance. The Brembo style MA brakes provide superior stopping power, while the fully adjustable KYB suspension ensures a smooth yet responsive ride. Whether carving through corners or cruising on the highway, the new Hayabusa delivers confidence-inspiring handling. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, precision, and heritage. With its advanced technology, refined design, and exhilarating performance, Suzuki has once again set the benchmark for hyperbikes. Stay tuned to Orion Auto Update for more updates on the latest two-wheel machines. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.